Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam-o-alikum, dear students, and a warmly welcome to a science class. As you all know, today we will discuss a new topic which is about atom and its structure. Let's see the objectives of this topic, that is matter and its states, atom and its structure, subatomic particles, their arrangement and their properties. So let's see what is an atom. Atom is a Greek word which means indivisible, that cannot be divided. All matter is made up of tiny unit called atom. Just like bricks are the building blocks of the home, atoms are the building blocks of the matter. Now what is matter? Matter is a material substance that has mass and occupies some space. Matter has three states: solid, liquid and gases. So all the substances, that means solids, liquids and gases, are made up of atom. We can say that atom is the basic unit of matter. If we see the structure of an atom, it has subatomic particles named as electron, proton and neutron. You can locate these particles in the figure as well. In the center you can see the red and the blue dots. The red dot represents the proton and the blue dot shows the position of the neutrons. The one that you can see embedded in the circle is known as electrons. Electrons move in the path called orbits. If we see the movement of the electrons, it will be something like this. The figure shows the movement of the electrons in the orbits. The electrons move in circular path around the nucleus. Let's see more about its structure. Different shells orbits have different electrons. For example, the first shell can hold up to 2 electrons, the second shell can hold up to 8 electrons, and the third shell can hold up to 18 electrons. So in the picture you can see we have 2 shells. An electron shell is the outside part of an atom around the atomic nucleus, in which electrons are present. If we see the small grain of sand, even there consists of millions of particles which are minuscule in nature called atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of all materials. Atoms are made up of 3 types of particles called protons, neutrons and electrons. An atom has central nucleus with a proton and neutrons in it. Protons are positively charged while neutrons have no charge, so the nucleus is positively charged. Protons and neutrons are collectively called as nucleons. Electrons are negatively charged and are located in the nucleus. An atom has same number of negatively charged electrons as it has positively charged electrons in the nucleus. Therefore, atoms are electrically neutral. Electrons are distributed in definite paths around the nucleus and are called shells or orbits. This concept was introduced by Niels Bohr. According to the Niels Bohr, different electrons revolve around the nucleus. The atom has been compared to the solar system. Once again, let's see the important points about the subatomic particles. The first one is electron. Electron is negatively charged, small in size than the proton, and help in making the bonds. Proton is a positively charged subatomic particle present in the nucleus with neutrons. It also determines the physical and chemical properties of an element. Neutrons. Neutrons, that means no charge, neutral. Neutrons in an atom contribute significantly to its mass but not its charge. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like it. Take care and Allah Hafiz.